As you know already, erxes provide email marketing service on its Engage feature. To make the best email marketing, you'll have to set up the right templates for the right occasion for the success. So let me talk about how you can prepare the design of your email and messages. To set up the email templates, first you go to Settings by clicking the Settings button on the top right corner and tap the email templates, which is behind the integration settings. Once you enter the new screen, there will be templates erxes provides to you as a sample. You can choose these templates, or if you can have a technical background, you press the source and type the source of the templates you already have. You can edit the templates which we have provided to you to make it suited to your company needs. To create new templates, you press the New Email Templates button on the top right corner of the screen to do it from the scratch. There are many websites which provide email templates. You can also get it there if you like. Then eventually press Save to have the email templates created.